Hey, good afternoon, guys. Coming on here about 5 o'clock. We're still planting corn, but I wanted to show you the barley out here, just coming in the head. It's up to my waist. Not quite, but it really looks nice. Here it's about to the waist, but just coming out of the head there. So we'll be chopping this here. I'd say about, I don't want to say for sure, but 2 weeks I would say, if we got some heat. Gonna make nice feed. This whole field here will go into corn then. And we're planting across on the other side of the truck there. But just wanted to give you a little up close here, the barley. I love that farm truck. There goes the neighbor. He's trying to get a lot of hog manure hauled here. He wants to plant his corn too. You don't get fields this big here in Lancaster County. Well, technically we're in Dauphin County.